Hello, Nabil. I hope my voice is audible. So, we will continue our last topic. Yesterday, we have done one property of definite integral. Okay, I guess we have already covered four properties. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Next is property fifth. It is 0 to 2a, okay, fx dot dx. And the property is it is equal to 0 to a fx dot dx plus 0 to a f 2a minus x dot dx. Okay, so if you have this lower and upper limit 0 to 2a fx dot dx, then we can write the property 0 to a fx dot dx plus 0 to a f 2a minus x dot dx. Okay, so what are the upper limit we have here? We have used here fa 2a minus x. Okay, please note down this property and then try one question on the basis of this. Question is 0 to 2 pi 1 by 1 plus exponential sin x dot dx. Okay, please note down this and try this question. And I still do not receive the homework from your side. So please complete the homework this week. Okay, hopefully today we will complete this chapter and next week we will start application of integrals. Noma, please note down this property. Okay, the property is 0 to 2a. So if you have the limit to a, so you can split this like this 0 to a fx dot dx plus 0 to a f 2a minus x dot dx. Okay, now apply this property here and share your answer. Let me know if anyone face any difficulty in the question. Everyone, in case you have a doubt in this question, please let me know. But as a hint, I can tell you that please apply this property directly in this question. Okay. Is it done, Nabil? Josefa? Noma? Is it completed?
No, sir.
Any doubt, Nabil? Nabil, Josefa, Noma, any doubt here? My voice is audible, all of you. Any doubt here? Do you need hint in this question?
No, sir.
No. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, then, Josefa, okay, then please complete this question. I will do the derivation of this. Okay, I will do the derivation of this property. Okay, first of all, as we have already started the question, so please put this property, then I will do the derivation. Okay. Okay, Nabil, I will solve this question in 2 minutes. Okay, some of the students are still doing this, so I will complete this in 2 minutes. Numa, answer is pi. Okay. Okay, so I will solve this question. Apply this property. So as per this property, what we will write 0 to a, we will write 0 to a. 0 to a means pi. 1 by 1 plus e sin x dot dx plus again 0 to a, so that means 0 to pi. F2a minus x. F2a minus x means 1 by wherever you are seeing x, in place of that x, put this one. 2a minus x means 2 pi minus x dot dx. Okay, we are applying this property. Please match this. This is 0 to 2a. So we have a 0 to 2 pi. We will write 0 to a. So that means 0 to pi 1 by 1 plus e to the power sin x dot dx plus 0 to pi 1 by 1 plus e to the power sin 2a minus x means 2 pi minus x dot dx. Okay. Now what this will become? 0 to pi dx by 1 plus e sin x plus 0 to pi dx by 1 plus, what is sine 2 pi minus x? Minus sine x, just lie in the fourth quadrant, minus sine x. Okay, so you can write 0 to pi dx by 1 plus e sin x plus 0 to pi. Here you can write dx 1 plus. Here you have a negative, so you can write 1 by e sin x. Okay, so here what you can write 0 to pi dx by 1 plus e sin x plus 0 to pi dx by e sin x plus 1. In the denominator you have e sin x. Shift this e sin x in the numerator, so you will get here 0 to pi dx by 1 plus e sin x plus, here you have 0 to pi, and the numerator you will get e sin x by 1 plus e sin x dot dx. Okay, now please add these two. So you will put a single integral and take the LCM, solve this, and now share your answer. Numa, what's the mistake you have done in this question? Numa, what's the mistake you have done? All of you, please solve this. I will give you just 2 minutes. Please note down, just solve this and share your answer. Okay, Numa. If anyone get the answer, please let me know. Very good, Numa. It is correct. Uh, Rest of you, please share your answer. Is it done? Huzaifa, Nabil Ahmed and Nabil Khan, is it done? Huzaifa and Nabil, is it done?
No, sir.
Okay, Huzaifa, what's the answer? Now please check here, only two steps are remaining. You need to write 0 to pi. Okay, you need to take the LCM. Huzaifa, please share your answer. So what you will get here you have 1, here you have 1 plus sin x. So 1 plus e sin x dot dx. Huzaifa, please share your answer. This is cancel out. You will get 0.
Sir, is it one?
Dynasty.
It is pi.
Dynasty to an end.
Pi is a pi.
Dynasty
Yeah.
to an end.
0 to pi. Now put this limit. So you will get pi minus 0. So you will get finally pi. Okay. This is the answer. Is it clear? Nabil Khan and Huzaifa? Uh, Huzaifa and Nabil Khan, is it clear? So I hope this is clear. Okay. I'm waiting from the last 10 minutes. So now please try this question number 2. It is 0 to pi dx by 1 plus e cos x. Okay. Please try this question. Let me know if you have any doubt. Yes, Roma, the same property.
Sir, is it pi by 2?
Very good, Nabil. It is correct. Yes, it is pi by 2. Okay. All of you, please share your answer. You need to do in the same way. In case you are stuck, please let me know. Very good, Noma. It is correct. Josefa and Nabil Khan, please share your answer. No, Josefa, it is not pi. You're doing some mistake. Answer is pi by 2. Okay, and Nabil Khan, is it done? Okay, Nabil Khan, what's the answer? Very, very good. So I guess all of you have completed this. Josefa, is it done? Did you get the correct answer? Okay, great. Okay, so now I will do the derivation of this property. Okay, so I will do here. Normally they do not, Noma. Okay. But please check the steps which I'm using here. Okay, because the same steps we will use in some questions. Proof. Okay. So we have this 0 to 2a, 0 to 2a fx dot dx. This is equal to, Josefa, we will break this. Okay. In place of 0 to 2a, we will write 0 to a fx dx plus a to b, sorry, a to 2a fx dx. Okay, this property we have used yesterday. You can break the limit. You have 0 to 2a, so you can break from 0 to a, then a to 2a. Okay, we will solve this separately. Let this be 1. We will solve this separately and then put in 1. So let I1 is equal to this one, 0, sorry, a to 2a fx dot dx. Okay, now to prove this one, so to prove this result, I will assume let t is equal to 2a minus x. Okay, or no, I will write x is equal to 2a minus t. Okay, now differentiate it. What you will get in play with respect to x, so dx by dx is equal to this 0 minus dt by dx. So here you will get what? 1 is equal to minus dt by dx, and here you will get dt is equal to minus dx. So what you will get here, I1 is equal to, in place of this x, we will write 2a minus t. In place of dx, we will write minus dt. Now check the limits. Lower limit is a. Okay, from here you will get t is equal to 2a. You will get 2a minus x. Okay, now put this limit. When you have a here, t is equal to what? 2a minus x. So when x is equal to, when x is equal to a, then t is equal to what? Put a here, 2a minus a, you will get a. So here you will get a. When x is equal to 2a, put here 2a. So 2a minus 2a is 0. So t is equal to 0. So you will get 0 here. Okay. So here we can write this negative in the starting, this one. So we will write minus a to 0 f 2a minus t dot dt. Okay, and we can interchange the limit. We have already done this property. This is property 2. Interchange these limits. So this, the sign will become negative. As we already have a negative here, so negative negative will become positive. You will get 0 to a f 2a minus t dot dt. Okay, now anyone can tell me what is the first property we have in definite integral? anyone can tell me what is the first property? Please turn your pages and tell me what is the first property. No one? Noma, what is the first property? Yesterday also we have done the properties.
Sir, f of x dx from integrated from a to b is equal
Yes,
to f of t dt integrate from a to b.
very good. Okay, so first property we have done that definite integral is independent of the variable. So in place of this t and dt, you can write any variable. So I will write now here x0 to a. I will write here f 2a minus x dot dx. Okay, definite integral is independent of variable. We have done this yesterday. So in place of this t, we can write x. Now put this I1 in, put this I1 in 1, put value of I1 in 1. Okay, so what you will get in 1, you already have this 0 to fx dot dx. Just now we have put proof this one 0 to a f 2a minus x. So Josefa, is it now clear how you get a here in place of 2a? Okay, great. So all of you please note down this. Okay, and raise your hands. Then we will do the second property. I will just give you 2 minutes for this one, okay? Because we need to complete the chapter, and today you also have a test. So please complete it.
Sir, in the question it is given that from 0 to 2a, right? So how it is from a to 2a in I1?
Okay. Josefa, you were absent yesterday. Josefa, you were absent yesterday?
Sir, it is Cephala.
Okay. So Sev, when you have joined?
Just a few minutes ago, sir.
Okay. Uh, so Sev, we have done this property now yesterday, a to b fx.dx, and please don't be late in the class. You have missed 2 questions. So we have used this property a to c, c to b. Seth,
Yes, sir.
okay. Yesterday we have used this property a to b. We can break into a to c and c to b fx.dx.
Yes.
Okay. That's why similarly for 0 to 2a, I break like this 0 to a, then a to 2a. Okay.
Oh, okay, yes, sir.
Okay. So everyone please complete this and raise your hands. Then we will start the next property. Today we need to complete 3 more properties. Okay. Everyone, please raise your hands if it is done. Okay, Noma, very good. Nabil, Josefa, Saf. Okay, Saf, good. Okay, Nabil, very good. So who is left now? Josefa and Nabil Khan. Is it done? Okay, Nabil, very good. Josefa, please confirm if it is done. Okay, great. So just last line. Okay, please complete this in 1 minute. Then we will start the next property. So I hope everyone has completed this. Okay, I'm going to start now next
1 minute,
property.
sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes, I do.
Okay, next sixth property. Okay, now we have this property. 0 to 2a fx dot dx, it is equal to 0 to a fx dot dx plus 0 to a f 2a minus x dot dx. Okay, now we will take two cases. In the first case, if I will write like this, f2a minus x is equal to fx. F2a minus x is equal to fx, then anyone can tell me what we will get as the final result. If this one f2a minus x is equal to fx, then what will be the final result?
So 2 of 0 to a f of x
Very, very good, very
dx.
good, very good, Nabil. So I will complete this. So this is 0 to a fx dot dx plus here we will write 0 to a. In place of this f2a minus x, we will write fx dot dx. So finally, you will get twice of 0 to a fx dot dx. Okay. Second case you need to do on your own. Second case is this f2a minus x is equal to minus fx. Okay, so this is the sixth property. We have two cases. First this and second this one. So please complete it and tell me what the final result you will get in the second part.
So second case answer will be 0.
Very good, Nabil. It is correct. Everyone, please confirm. Are you getting 0 in the second one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great, Saf. Very good, Noma. So he's left. Nabil Khan, Josefa, is it done? Nabil Khan and Josefa, is it done? Okay, great. Who is left? Nabil Khan? Okay, great. Now next one. On the basis of this property, please try this question. Question 1. 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi cos to the power 5 x dot dx. Okay. Please try this question and share your answer. Uh, okay, Noma, very good. It is correct. Good. Everyone, please share your answer if it is done. Nabil Ahmed, Nabil Khan, Huzaifa, Saif, is it done?
1 minute, sir.
Oh, okay. Very good, Huzaifa. It is correct. Good. Rest of you, please share your answer if it is completed. Very good, Saif. So now who is left? Nabil? Nabil Ahmed and Nabil Khan. Is it done?
No,
sir.
Okay. Nabil Khan, is it done? Nabil Khan, is it done? Okay, so I will solve this question now. Now, this is 0 to 2 pi cos to the power 5x dot dx. Okay. Now, what is the property? Property is 0 to 2a fx dot dx. It is equal to twice of 0 to a fx dot dx if f2a minus x is equal to fx. Okay. Now here in place of 2a we have 2 pi. So here we have fx is equal to cos to the power 5x. Now put here 2 pi minus x is equal to cos 2 pi minus x. Okay. And to the power 5. So this is what cos x to the power 5. So here you will get what? Cos to the power 5x. Okay, so that means f2a minus x is equal to fx. So we will use this property 0 to 2a fx dot dx, and this is equal to twice of 0 to a. Okay, 0 to 2a, what is fx? We have cos 5x dot dx. This is equal to twice of 0 to pi. 0 to pi cos to the power 5x dot dx. Okay, now again we can apply the same property. Again this property. In place of 2a, now we have pi. So what we can do here, we can take f 2a minus x. In place of this, we will write f pi minus x. So what fx we have? Fx is equal to cos to the power 5x. So what is f pi minus x? It is equal to cos pi minus x to the power 5. Okay, what is pi minus theta? You will get minus cos x to the power 5. So this means minus cos x to the power 5. Okay, so that means f pi minus x is equal to minus fx. So now what is the second property? Second property is 0 to 2a fx dot dx is equal to 0 if f2a minus x. If f2a minus x is equal to minus fx. Okay, so here we are getting negative. We have already shown here. So we can say that 0 to pi cos to the power 5x is equal dot dx is equal to 0. Okay, Noma and Josefa, you have done by the same method. You have applied 2 times this property. And Seth? Okay. Josefa, Seth, you have applied 2 times the same property. Please let me know on the chat box. Okay. Now, please raise your hands. Nabil Khan, Nabil Ahmed. Okay, once it is done, then we will start one more question. Okay, Nabil, very good. Nabil Ahmed, I guess you have already completed. So I will give you a new question. Please complete it. Okay, Nabil, very good. Now next question is 0 to pi by 2. Prove that 0 to pi by 2, okay, log sin x dot dx is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dot dx is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. Okay, please try this question. This is quite complex, but you can prove this one. This is equal to this. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes. Please try this for 5 minutes. Then I will solve. Please let me know. Everyone has done this one. Log sin x dot dx is equal to log cos x dot dx.
Sir, I have proved that part, sir.
Okay, very good. Then Nabil, please try for the second part also. Okay, then I will explain after 3-4 minutes so that you can understand the problem properly. Okay, and everyone please complete the first and second part. It is a one-step question. Okay, you just need to apply one property to convert this into this one. And if anyone have a doubt, please let me know. Noma, Nabil Khan, Zephyr, Saf, you have completed the first part. We only have 28 minutes. We need to uh, we need to complete 2 more properties. Please check here if you have a problem in the first one. Let I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dot dx. Okay. Then we already have this property a to b. Okay, fx dot dx. It is I guess there is a third property a to b f a plus b minus x. A plus b minus x dot dx. Okay, this is the third property. Apply this property here. What you will get I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sine. In place of x, you can write pi by 2 minus x dot dx. So here you will get I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dot dx. Okay, so I hope this is clear to everyone. Now till here I have solved this. Now please try to prove this part. Okay, and this is quite complex, but please give some time uh, to this question. Please try to prove. I will give you the hint. This is 1. Take this as 2. Okay, and then add 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. So what you will get, I plus I, you will get 2i. It is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dot dx plus 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dot dx. Okay. Now please apply the property of log and try to solve this question. Okay, so I think all of you have tried to solve this. Now please check the further steps. 2I is equal to 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dot dx. Okay, log sin x plus log cos x dot dx. Okay, here what I will get, 2I is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Okay, and here we have log sin x into cos x dot dx. Okay, now what I want to change in this question, what I need finally is here, if we will check this one, then I is equal to log sin x. Okay, I is equal to log sin x 0 to pi by 2. If by applying any method on the right side, if I will get log sin x, then this is 2i, and I will say that this is I, and we will subtract it, we will get the value of I. Okay, I know you do not understand this, but all of you, please check the steps from here. In case you have doubt in any of the step, please let me know. Okay, now check here. 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Okay, this question is quite complex, so please check each and every step properly. Please don't wait for the end. Dot dx plus, if I will write here log 2 0 to pi by 2 dot dx, and if I will subtract the 0 to pi by 2 log 2, then the question will remain the same. There will not be any difference in this question. Okay, I have added log 2 and I have subtracted log 2. I will tell you later on why I have done like this. So 2i is equal to, this is your NCERT question, and I guess this also came in CBSE 2013. So this is very, very good question. Now this one, log sin x and this, add these two. So what you will get, log sin x dot cos x plus log 2 dot dx minus 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dot dx. Okay. Now here we will apply the property 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2 and log sin x cos x and log 2. So finally we can multiply them. Log 2 sin x into cos x, okay, dot dx, and here we will get minus 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dot dx. Okay. Now who can tell me the formula? Seth. Seth, can you tell me what is the formula of 2 sin x cos x?
Sin 2x.
Very good, Seth. So I will get this 0 to pi by 2. Here I will get log sin 2x. Okay. 2 sin x cos x is what? This is sin 2x. This remain as it is. We can easily integrate this part. Okay. Log 2 is a constant. So here we have 1. We can easily integrate this. So the problem we have is this. But final what result we need, if in place of this log sin 2x, somehow if we will get log sin x, okay, if in place of sin 2x we will get log sin x, then what the benefit we will get, this is I. So if in place of this you can write sin x, then in place of that log sin x we will write I. We will shift that I to the left side and we will finally get the value. Okay, I will tell you now. This we can easily integrate. Okay, so what we will get here, 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x, okay, dot dx minus log 2, and in place of this one, if you will integrate it, you will get x. Okay, here you will get pi by 2 0. So here you get 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dot dx minus log 2, and here you will get pi by 2. Okay, now everyone, please note down this. Raise your hands. We have only 18 minutes. Please raise your hands once it is done. Then I will continue this question. Everyone, please raise your hand if it is done. Okay, Noma, very good. Nabil, Josefa, Saf, please confirm if it is done.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, great. Josefa, is it done? And Nabil Khan, is it done? Okay. Nabil Khan, uh, Nabil Khan, shall we start next? Is it done? Nabil, I'm going to start next question, okay? In case you miss anything, please let me know. So we have this 2i is equal to, okay, it is 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, log sine 2x, log sine 2x dot dx, minus, okay, please don't cancel that 2 with log 2. These two are different functions. Okay, we get this. Now we need to focus on this part. So we will separate this, sorry, we will solve this separately. Okay, log sine 2x dot dx. Now let t is equal to 2x. Let t is equal to 2x. So what dt by dx you will get? This is equal to 2. Okay, and here you will get dt by 2 is equal to dx. So here what you will get, I1 is equal to log sine t, and in place of this dx we will write dt by 2. Now what about the limits? When we have this t is equal to 2x, so when put the lower limit, when x is equal to 0, t is equal to 0. When x is equal to pi by 2, then t is equal to what? T is twice of x, so 2 into pi by 2 will give you pi. So you will write 0 pi log sine t dot dt by 2. So here what you will get, I1 is equal to 1 by 2, 0 to pi log sine t dot dt, sine t dot dt. Okay, now use that property, I guess. What was this? This one, sixth property. This property. Okay, now let ft, in place of x we have t, so ft is equal to log sine t. Now, if we will write this f pi minus t, then we will get, this is an NCERT question, okay? So please practice this again if you have any doubt. So here we will get again log sine t. So ft and f pi by t, we are getting the same result. So by using this property, 0 to 2a fx dot dx, we will get what? 0, 0 to a twice of fx dot dx. Okay, if I don't have the space, if 2a minus x is equal to fx, where I will write, okay, here. I have written here, I don't have the space now. So you know what I want to put here. Okay, now, so what we can write? We can write I1 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2, 0 to, this will become pi by 2 log sine t dot dt. Okay, dot dt. Now this 2 will get cancelled out. So finally what we will get, I1 is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sine t dot dt. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. Now, who can tell me the first property? What is the first property we have?
Variables don't matter.
Yes, variable don't matter. So in place of t, we can write x. So what we will get, I1 is equal to 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 log sine x dot dx. We can change the variable. Okay. And in the bracket, we can write a to b fx dot dx is equal to a to b ft dot dt. Okay. So, and 0 to pi by 2 log sine x. Check the original question. 0 to pi by 2 log sine x is what? I. So we can say that I1 is equal to I. Okay. Now check that equation. This one. Okay. We need to assume this equation. So let let this be 3. Okay. So put value of I1. This is what? This is I1. So put value of I1 in 3. So put I1 is equal to I in 3. In 3. So what you will get? 2I. And here you have what? This is I1. Okay. So here we can write I. Then minus pi by 2 minus pi by 2 log 2. Shift this I to the left side. This is very different question. So shift this I to the left side. You will get 2I minus I is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. And 2I minus I is what? I. And we need to find the value of I only. Okay. So we get this. So the steps which we have used in this question are very different, but these are very good steps. Okay. So now please note down this. I hope this you have already done. Please note down this. Raise your hands once it is done. In case you have a doubt in any of this step, please tell me. And please again try this question on your own at home. Okay. Everyone, please raise your hands if it is done.
Sir, what is the last part, sir? Log sin t is equal to
Where?
the last one, bottom right corner.
This one? Nabil, this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we need to apply this property now. So this one, f2a minus x is equal to fx. So for that, I've shown here that this one, that f2a minus x is equal to fx.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So actually, I don't have the space. So after this, I've written this part, and then you have to write this.
Done, sir.
Okay, Nabil, very good. Noma, Huzaifa, Saif, Nabil Khan, please confirm.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, good. So who is left? Huzaifa and Nabil Khan. Uh, will you please confirm? I need to change the slide. Okay, Huzaifa. Nabil Khan, is it done? Nabil Khan, I am going to change the slide, okay? If you miss anything, please let me know. Now, everyone, now please note down this and confirm. Okay, Noma, very good. All of you, please raise your hands if it is done.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, Saif, good. Okay, Nabil, good. Who is left? Huzaifa and Nabil Khan. Huzaifa and Nabil Khan, is it done? Okay, great. So, Nabil, I guess there is some issue at your side in the network. Okay, I'm going to start the last property. In case you have any doubt, please let me know. So, how many properties we have completed? 6. Okay, so this is the last property, and then your chapter is complete. 7th property. Okay, in 7th property, but first of all, we will discuss even function, even and odd functions. So, anyone have idea what is a even function? If f minus x is equal to fx, then fx is said to be even function. Is said to be even function. Okay. So for example, we will take example. If let fx is equal to x square. If we will put in place of x minus x, we will get minus x square, which will give us x square. So we can say f minus x is equal to fx. Hence, it is a even function. Okay. So what is the even function? If f minus x is equal to fx, then we will say that fx is a even function. Anyone can give any other example for even function? Anyone can give one more example for the even function? No? Nabil Ahmed, Noma, Uzaifa, Saf, Nabil Khan. Any example for the even function?
Sir, x raised to the power 4.
Very good. Okay, any x to the power, any even number. Okay, that will be even function. Next is a odd function. Odd function. What is the odd function? If f minus x is equal to minus fx, then fx is said to be then fx to be is said to be odd function. Is said to be odd function. Okay, if f minus x is equal to minus fx, then fx is said to be odd function. For example, fx is equal to x cube. Put minus x here, f minus x is equal to minus x cube. So you will get minus x cube. So f minus x is equal to minus fx.
So like sin x.
Yes, fx is equal to sin x. Very good. Fx is equal to cos x is what? Even or odd?
Even, sir.
Very good. Very good. So all of you, please note down this. Raise your hands. Then we will do the properties in 2-3 minutes. Question we will do next week. Okay. Please note down this. Raise your hand. I will just give you 1 minute for this.